Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to bring the Aero Peek feature into Windows 11. So what I mean by that is you used to be able to hover your mouse over the taskbar here and it'll kind of peek at the desktop instead of actually minimizing it. Of course, if you have some stuff open here, you could click on this here to show the desktop and then bring it back. But if you want to do a quick peek, you can't do that. So to accomplish this, we're going to be using the free Windhawk app. So how Windhawk works is you install the app and then you browse for mods to install into the app or add to the app. So what these mods do, they customize or tweak how Windows works. So there are a lot of mods for Windows 11 to kind of bring back some of those Windows 10 features that we all miss. Alright, so how it works is you have your home screen here, which will show you any installed mods. I don't have any on this computer. I'll show some featured mods, and then if you click on Explore, you have some other ones, and then you can actually search from here. So what we're going to do is search for a mod called Taskbar Show Desktop Button Aero Peek. And then once you find it, click on Details. You'll see some information about it. Some of them have a little animation of what it does. And then you just click on Install. And then click on Accept, Risk, and Install. You'll get this for any mod. Alright, so now it's installed. So you can disable it from here and also remove it from Windhawk from here. If you go to the settings, we have some settings for milliseconds before it activates the Aero Peek. So you can adjust that from here. Most mods usually have some type of setting, some more than others, depending on the mod. Alright, so now let's try it out. Say we have some stuff open here. Now we hover over and let go, and it comes back. So I'm not clicking, I'm just holding the mouse there, and it comes right back. So it's a pretty simple mod, but it was a feature that we had in Windows 10 and I believe Windows 7 as well. Alright, so I will put a link in the description where you can download Windhawk, and then you just want to come to the Explore section, do a search for Taskbar Show Desktop Button Aero Peek, install it, and that's all there is to it. Alright, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.